Hi, boys and girls. We are going to be reading about local heroes today. Local means people that live around you in your community, and these are people who have jobs in our communities that help us. So we're going to read through these slides. I'd like you to read with me if you can, using your sight words and sounding out some words to help me. And when we're done, we're going to be thinking about and writing about what you want to be when you grow up. It might be one of the jobs on these slides, or it might be something that is not on these slides, maybe something that you've already thought about. Either way, we're going to write about that job and how you will be helping others in your grown-up job. Okay? Just remember that you can be any of these things that you want to be. It is your choice. So here's our title, Local Heroes, an inside look at community helpers. First, we have an artist. An artist creates art by drawing or painting. Baker. A baker makes breads and cakes. A chef. A chef cooks food for us to eat. Firefighter. Firefighters protect us from fires. Mail carrier. A mail carrier delivers the mail. Construction worker. A construction worker builds things. Dentist. A dentist takes care of our teeth. Farmer. A farmer grows food and takes care of animals. Grocer. A grocer helps us in the supermarket. Doctor. A doctor takes care of us when we are sick. Nurse. A nurse helps us when we are sick. Pilot. A pilot flies an airplane or a jet. Police officer. Police officers keep us safe. Teacher. A teacher helps us learn. I should cut out a picture of my face and stick it right on there. Reporter. A reporter tells us the news. Soldier. A soldier protects us. Trash collector. A trash collector gets rid of our trash. Veterinarian. A veterinarian takes care of animals. What do you want to be when you grow up? You can be anything you want to be. Now you're going to write about what you want to be when you grow up. Be sure to include how you will help others in this job. Your sentences may look something like this, right over here. I want to be a when I grow up. I will help people by Remember, you can be anything you want to be. So boys and girls, you can go back to the beginning of this recording and turn the sound off if you need to. Find the slide that you're looking for and push pause. You can think about the job that person does, maybe make a list of all the things they do to help. Think about the uniform that they wear or the outfit that they wear. And then I'd like for you to draw a picture and write and tell me all about your grown-up job. All right, have fun, boys and girls.